Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of abstract art. If you've ever wanted to express your creativity in a free and unique way, this video is for you. We'll explore techniques and tips to create stunning abstract pieces that reflect your personal style. Materials needed. Before we jump in, let's quickly go over the materials you'll need. Canvas or heavy paper, acrylic or watercolor paints, brushes in various sizes, palette knife, spray bottles or droppers for water, rags or paper towels, optional, stencils, sponges, or mixed media elements like fabric or paper. Step 1. Setting up your workspace. Start by preparing your workspace. Lay down some old newspapers or a drop cloth to protect the surface. Make sure you have good lighting and all your materials within reach. This will help you feel comfortable and focused as you create. Step 2. Choosing a color palette. Next, let's choose a color palette. Abstract art is all about expression, so pick colors that resonate with you. You might want to go for bold, vibrant colors for energy, or soft pastels for a calming effect. Lay out your colors on your palette, and don't be afraid to mix them. Step 3. Start with a base layer. Begin by applying a base layer of paint to your canvas. This could be a solid color or a gradient. Use a large brush or palette knife to cover the canvas. This layer will serve as the foundation for your abstract art. Demonstrate applying the base layer, explaining the choice of colors and techniques used. Step 4. Adding shapes and textures. Once your base layer is dry, it's time to add shapes and textures. You can use brushes, sponges, or even your fingers to create interesting patterns. Think about how you want to balance the colors and shapes across the canvas. Consider using a palette knife to apply thick strokes of paint or to scrape away layers for unique textures. Show examples of different shapes and textures being added, explaining the process and thought behind each choice. Step 5. Incorporating mixed media. For added depth, consider incorporating mixed media elements. You can glue down fabric, paper, or other materials to create layers. This adds a tactile quality to your art and makes it even more unique. Demonstrate adding mixed media elements, discussing how they enhance the overall composition. Step 6. Step back and assess. As you work, remember to step back and assess your piece. This is a crucial part of the creative process. Take a moment to see what's working and what might need adjustment. Abstract art is about intuition, so trust your instincts. Step 7. Final touches. Once you're happy with your piece, add any final touches. This could be highlights, additional textures, or even some splatter paint for an energetic effect. Don't overthink it, this is your chance to make bold choices. Step 8. Exploring different techniques. Let's talk about some different techniques you can use to create even more unique effects in your abstract art. Pouring technique. Instead of using brushes, try pouring thin paint directly onto the canvas. Tilt the canvas to spread the paint and create beautiful, flowing patterns. This technique often results in stunning marbled effects. Blowing paint. Use a straw or a blower to move wet paint around your canvas. This creates organic shapes and lines that can add a whimsical touch to your piece. Masking tape. Use painter's tape to create geometric shapes on your canvas. Once the paint dries, remove the tape for sharp, clean lines that contrast beautifully with your abstract background. Demonstrate one or two of these techniques, explaining how they work and their visual effects. Step 9. Finding your style. As you continue experimenting with abstract art, you'll start to discover your unique style. This can involve specific color combinations, preferred techniques, or recurring themes. Keep a sketchbook or journal to jot down ideas, inspiration, and reflections on your creative process. Share personal insights about your artistic journey and how you found your style, encouraging viewers to document their experiences. Step 10. Displaying your artwork. Once your artwork is complete, think about how you want to display it. Framing your piece can elevate its look and make a statement in your home. Alternatively, consider creating a series of smaller pieces to display together for a cohesive gallery wall. Show examples of framed artwork or a gallery wall setup, discussing how presentation can enhance the art. Encouragement and community. Remember, abstract art is all about self-expression and exploration. There are no right or wrong ways to create. Embrace your mistakes and learn from them. I encourage you to share your creations with our community. Tag us on social media or leave a comment below with your artwork. Let's inspire each other. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you feel inspired to dive into the world of abstract art and let your creativity flow. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more artistic adventures.